Okay, here's a Ryobi planer that I just got back from a friend that I loaned to. And he actually upgraded to another planer, so I got this one here back. It's a Ryobi 10-inch planer, I think 5 inches on the height of it. I just sharpened the blades, blew all the sawdust and stuff out of it, so let's see if it works. I always like to check to see if there's any nails in it anywhere. It's just an old 2x4. Let's see how it works. So, all in all, it's not too bad, a little planer. I think it'll work okay.